excited to announce a project that will delve deeper into the aerospace part of the channel's name. Inspired by BPS.Space, we will be designing, programming, and launching a rocket that will use thrust vector control and guide itself on ascent. I will be taking you through all the steps of the process, from receiving the parts to soldering pins and prototyping the circuit board. We will also be doing static fires and then finally launching. When I began research for this project, I was disappointed in the lack of instructional and educational videos on the topic. My hope is that this video series will be that instructional content for any other aspiring aerospace engineers like myself. Due to the nature of the project, the videos will most likely be either bi-weekly or monthly updates. If you would like more frequent updates, follow us on Twitter and Instagram. There will also be some live streams on Instagram and here on YouTube. The flight computer will be a Teensy 3.2 equipped with a MPU or inertial processing unit. It will control the two servos at the bottom of the rocket that move the rocket motor in the X and Y axes. The rocket will be powered by a sugar rocket engine that I will be building. The main body of the rocket will be a 74mm cardboard tube. Before any parts of the final rocket are put together, we will be doing fine-tuning of both the flight computer and the rocket's motor. Stay tuned for further updates.